Welcome to the Motinova After Sales Service System Guide. Next, I will introduce how to install and use the Motinova After Sales Service software for you. Step 1. Open your browser and enter www.motinova.com to access our official website. Step 2. Click on the Downloads tab to enter the download page. Step 3. Click on the Download After Sales Service Software button to download the application. Finally, wait for the download to complete and then run the downloaded exe file. After the program is running, follow the prompts to install the Motinova After Sales Service software on your computer. When the login interface appears, it means that you have successfully installed the Motinova After Sales Service software. Congratulations! However, in order to use the functions of the software, you must have a Motinova account. Our accounts are divided into two types, OEM and dealer. OEM accounts have more customized functions, but must be obtained by contacting Motinova staff. Dealer accounts can be registered independently in the software. Next, I will teach you how to register a dealer account. First, open the application and click on the registration button. Fill in your information truthfully, just like me. Then, check the box to agree to the privacy policy. Finally, click on the Register button. We will send a verification email to your email address. Check your email inbox and click on the link in the verification email. If you see a message saying that the verification was successful, it means that your account has been successfully registered. After our staff reviews your account, you will be able to log into the software. When you first log into the software, you will need to enter the Motinova training site for training and assessment. Don't worry, the assessment content will not be difficult, and anyone can easily pass it. Follow my steps and take a test. Even though I answered a few questions wrong, I still passed it. Now log into your account. After logging in, you need to use the linkage device box to connect your PC and e-bike. If you have not yet obtained the linkage device box, please contact Motinova staff to obtain it. Next, I will teach you how to use the linkage device box to connect the e-bike and PC. The left side of the linkage device box is a 1-to-2 connection line, and the right side is a USB connection line. First, connect one end of the USB to the PC. Then insert one end of the 1-to-2 connecting wire into the linkage device box, making sure to align it with the groove. Next, carefully observe the 1-to-2 connection line. We first disconnect the connection line between the e-bike body and the meter, and then insert the 1-to-2 connection line into the disconnected part. When connecting the cable, please pay attention to aligning the groove of the interface. Now let's check the connection status. Now, we have completed all the preparation work. Go back to the main interface of the software and click the Connect e-bike button. If everything goes well, the software will prompt Connection Successful and jump to the menu interface. This interface will display the basic information of the bike and other functions of the software. If your bike information fails to be displayed successfully, please check if your e-bike is turned on. Next, I will demonstrate how to perform software upgrades for e-bikes and other components. Software upgrades can bring better stability and a superior riding experience to your e-bike. First, click on the Software Upgrade menu, then select the component you wish to upgrade, which in most cases will be the motor or the meter. Verify the basic information of your e-bike, and click the Confirm button after confirming that everything is correct. At this point, the current software version of your component and the latest software version will be displayed. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Next button. After the software download is complete, click the Update button. Now, the software will be written into the e-bike component. During the writing process, please do not close the program or turn off the power, as this may cause irreparable consequences. Wait for the progress bar to show 100%, indicating that your e-bike component has completed the software upgrade. Congratulations! Another very practical function is fault submission. If you encounter an unsolvable problem or need Motinova staff to assist in analyzing the problem, please click the Fault Submission menu. On the left side of the menu is the fault submission operation, and on the right side is the history of your submissions. We click the button on the left to start the fault submission operation. Please keep the e-bike turned on during the operation. After the software queries the e-bike information, fill in your name, contact information, and a detailed description of the fault. Please provide a clear and detailed description of the fault. After filling in, click the Submit button. Motinova will analyze your problem based on the information submitted by the software, and will contact you as soon as possible to provide a solution. Next, I will introduce you to another practical feature, diagnostics. Diagnostics are divided into motor diagnostics and button diagnostics. Click on the menu to enter the motor diagnostics page. As shown in the picture, please keep the rear wheel of the e-bike off the ground. This step is crucial. Click the Next button. After confirming that the rear wheel is off the ground again, click the Confirm button. At this point, the wheel will start to rotate, and you can adjust the speed of the wheel rotation by dragging the slider. Below the button are the operating conditions of various components of the motor. We will adjust the speed from low to high until all the motor components show a successful status. After completing this step, you will be prompted to indicate whether there is any abnormal noise from the motor. Please click the Yes or No button accordingly. This step will perform a torque sensor test. First, click the Start button, then hold the brake and press the brake pedal firmly forward until the software indicates that the torque sensor status is correct at the bottom. This step will perform a cadence sensor test. Similarly, click the Start button first, then shake the bicycle pedals in either forward or backward direction until the software indicates that the cadence sensor status is correct at the bottom. Now you can see an overview of the motor status. With this feature, you can have a better understanding of the status of various components in the e-bike motor. Next, I will introduce how to personalize the configuration of your e-bike. This functionality is available for OEM accounts, and if you have a dealer account, this menu will not be displayed. Click on Configuration, then click on the Motor Configuration menu. On this interface, you can modify certain motor configurations such as maximum speed, assist start mode, wheel circumference, etc. You can also fine-tune the assist level for each gear to achieve a riding experience that better suits your needs. Once you have finished modifying all the configurations, click the right button, and your settings will be saved in the e-bike. Of course, you can also configure the odometer. Click on Odometer Configuration. On this interface, you can modify related settings of the odometer, such as displaying remaining mileage, remaining battery level, speed, and mileage units. After making the modifications, click the right button to save the settings to the e-bike.